Hello YouTube friends! We have a small Dollar Tree haul. I don't know why, but every time I go to the Dollar Tree, even though it's $1, I end up spending like $20 to $30, right? Because everything is such a bargain. We have a trip coming up, and let's see what we found for our trip. A Transformer toy. Toss it over here. So yes, I let the kids pick out their toys to take with us on the trip, because for $1, I don't care if it gets lost. And what is that? A Stormtrooper, because someone here loves Stormtroopers. It has stickers inside. And this coloring scene to put the stickers on, plus coloring book, more stickers for $1. So Mr. T gets to take that with him. What else? These, Grandma and Grandpa are going with us, so this is for their door, and this is for Tess and I's door, and so we can write notes to each other, because we don't think our texting is going to work when we're out at sea and stuff. So we're going to hang these on each other's cruise cabin doors to write notes to each other. Oh, and this was $1. Can't beat that. Did you pick that out?
Yeah.
Yes, because look, it's cute for $1. Next. These are racer toys to take with us on the trip so they can race each other and play.
A coloring book for me again.
Someone here likes cars, so it has colors and stickers and a little coloring book. This will be good for dinner or the car trip or when we're waiting somewhere. I like to do trivia, and he'll need something to do over in trivia. Tess picked out a Vampirina puzzle, huh? Did you pick that out?
I want to do it.
We're gonna save that for our trip. You can do it on our trip.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, Kleenex, because 6 for $1. Can't beat that, and I get sneezed when I go outside because I have allergies. The kids wanted new crayons. These were only $1 because ours get lost, broken, stolen, melted. I don't know where they go, but we're always running out. So they picked this out as a special reward. 48 crayons for $1. My kids go through Band-Aids like no tomorrow, so one of these are on our trip. They like to put them on and then only wear them 5 minutes for all their boo-boos. But for $1, that's the best price anywhere for Band-Aids. These were on sale. They're cute. These are not for the trip, just for home. Fancy Nancy and Mickey Mouse. We like Disney, so those are cute. And some water bottles. These are for our trip, for the kids to have water bottles. Hopefully our room steward won't throw these away, because if I bring regular water bottles, they throw them away even when they're half empty. Some gummy bear snacks for the car, fat-free. Little Miss going crazy over there. More Band-Aids. Someone tried to open theirs already. Sesame Street and Minions, because we seriously can't keep those in stock. A military guy and police guy, kind of
I need to put this.
no-name minifigs, right? The brand is Top Blocks. They're a little bit bigger than the Legos one.
Bedroom.
Okay, yes. We'll keep that one here at home, is what you're saying?
Yeah.
I think there's one more bag.
Oh.
That's for Mommy, because I get hot when we travel or waiting in line, and that was only $1, so I'm going to carry around a little fan to help keep me cool. They had all sorts of colors and designs, lots and lots of them, but hey, come on, can also use it in church, right? For the church lady, it's got a little sparkles on it. I like the pink sequin sparkles. So that's for Mom. Oh, these are for Mother's Day / Grandma's Day. We're gonna put little pictures of the kids in here and give them to the grandmas. So that's our quick Dollar Tree haul. We do got other stuff for our trip from the Dollar Tree, like a pop-up hamper bag that we've got before, this to keep documents in, to help if anything spills in your bag. It's just nice to have, you know, your boarding pass and excursion stuff and everything in a plastic folder. What else do we use on our trip? Oh, they have beach towel hooks that you can hook your, hook your beach towel on your chair. We've got those for $1. They have hooks that are metal hooks in the teacher section that you can put on your wall and hang up hats or billboards or whatever you want. So Dollar Tree is a great place for pre-cruise shopping. Of course, they have trial size of all your toiletries. All right, say goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And look forward to our cruise. Show them your shirt. A shark ate my homework. Oh no. And you lost a tooth recently. How much did the tooth fairy bring you?
$4.
So what could you buy at the Dollar Tree for that?
Another transformer.
Another transformer. Is that it?
I think.
All right, we'll see what we can do.
And then I have $5. And then I have one more $1. That makes $5.
Or another Dogman book.
No, I already have one.
Oh, you got them all. All right, see you later. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Bye.